Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Redefine the Grind. My name is Daniel, and on this channel we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how to make passive income online. So today I want to share with you about becoming an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Now before I continue, I want to explain what ClickFunnels is. So ClickFunnels is a landing page software where you build landing pages and sales funnels for your business or businesses. It even comes with already made web page templates to use. There's so many benefits to using ClickFunnels, but mainly it helps to generate leads, increase sales, and even build an email list in the process. This software is one of the greatest tools to use out there to scale your business, and the awesome thing about it is that it is a dummy-proof software to use. You don't need to be a super tech-savvy person to use it. You don't need to learn how to code or do any HTML. No boring and frustrating web hosting to deal with. Simply a drag and drop, copy and paste system. Now that you know what ClickFunnels is, let me explain why this software is a great opportunity to be an affiliate for. First, it's a high-ticket offer that has a ton of upsells and downsells. Second, they literally teach you how to promote it and create a business out of it. Third, it is reoccurring commissions. ClickFunnels is a membership program with two different plans. There's the basic plan, which is $97 a month. It has a good variety of things that you can play with, but it is limited. Then there's the $297 a month, which is unlimited access to all kinds of amazing tools within that plan. Okay, so this is why ClickFunnels is awesome. ClickFunnels offers a 40% commission on every person you sign up to your affiliate list. That's a pretty stinking good amount of commissions if you ask me. For example, if you get 20 people to sign up under the basic plan under your link, you'll get a $776 commissions monthly. Okay, so if you get 40 people to sign up to the basic plan under your link, you'll get $1,552 reoccurring monthly commissions. And if you get 100 people to sign up under your link, you'll get a reoccurring commissions of $3,880 a month. And if you get 40 people to sign up under the $297 a month plan, you'll get a reoccurring commissions of $4,752. That's literally enough to retire virtually. Oh, and if you get 100 people to sign up under your link, ClickFunnels will buy you your dream car. If that doesn't excite you, then there's something wrong with you. You can read more about that once you're inside the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. Which brings me to my next point. So what is ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit? The bootcamp is a 100-day challenge. They take you step by step on how to promote ClickFunnels and create your own online business, so that way you can retire within 14 weeks. And in the first 4 days, they have 15 ClickFunnels super affiliates spill the beans on how they were able to get their dream car and also become super affiliates with ClickFunnels. Also, they have a thing called a sticky cookie, and what that is pretty much anyone that you sign up into ClickFunnels and within ClickFunnels they purchase something, that commissions will go to you. I'm telling you, they have a crazy system that just blows my mind. ClickFunnels actually has a ton of other products that you can promote as well to get them into their ecosystem. Another thing I like about ClickFunnels is that they are trustworthy and follow through with all their promises. They actually offer a 14-day free trial so that you can check out the software and see what it's like on the inside, which makes it easier for you to promote as well. I honestly believe this is one of the best ways for a beginner affiliate marketer to get started. Last but not least, if you decide to promote the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit, you'll also get a chance to earn $100 for each person that registers for the One Funnel Away Challenge. And the One Funnel Away Challenge is actually another product that ClickFunnels sells. Also, if you want to go ahead and join the One Funnel Away Challenge, it's only $100 to get in. And I heard it's really great. I haven't taken it personally, or I haven't taken it myself. So I don't know, might do it sometime later on, but right now, I think I'm okay. I will actually be joining the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit and doing the 100-day challenge. And I will also be documenting my process here on the YouTube channel. This is actually my first YouTube channel, in case you didn't notice. Yeah, I mean, starting off with no followers, no subscribers, no email list, no nothing. Just brand new. I will also be creating a Facebook group to give more insight on the process and for anyone else who wants to join me in the challenge, and that way we can just have a community and help each other out, give value and good content, accountability. It should be really good. So if anyone wants to join, go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description below. So if you want to see me go from literally being broke to making $4,000 in recurring commissions monthly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get the updates on my new videos. Links below to the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp and also the Facebook group in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Welcome to my channel, Redefine the Grind. My name is Daniel, and on this channel we're gonna I gotta drink some more coffee. Redefine the grind, and here on this channel